Learning English often begins with textbooks, grammar charts, and formal instructions, but my own journey took a very different path. I realized one day that my skills were no longer growing, even though I studied regularly. Something felt missing. I wanted a deeper connection to the language, a way to feel it in daily life. That idea led me to explore my city with new eyes. I decided that every street, every small shop, and every unexpected encounter could become a lesson. My goal was simple. I wanted to find hidden places that could help me practice English naturally and meaningfully. The first hidden gem I discovered was a small second-hand bookstore located between tall buildings. The sign above the door was almost invisible, but the atmosphere inside was warm and welcoming. The shop owner spoke English slowly, and he shared stories about travelers and books. Each visit became an opportunity to learn new expressions and understand how English is used in real conversations. I began to see the city as a living classroom, full of surprises and opportunities. My search for hidden city gems continued with new discoveries. One of my favorite places was a quiet rooftop cafe managed by two university students who enjoyed practicing English. They encouraged visitors to speak freely and to share personal stories. We often discussed dreams, studies, and the challenge of learning a foreign language. These conversations taught me more than any formal lesson, because I learned how people express ideas naturally. Later, I found a small art gallery hidden inside a narrow alley. The paintings were both abstract and expressive, and each one included a description in English. Reading those descriptions helped me learn advanced adjectives such as vibrant, subtle, chaotic, and harmonious. A young artist explained how she used color to tell stories without speaking. Her explanation showed me that English is not only a tool for communication. It is also a way to interpret emotions, ideas, and imagination. Every hidden place I visited gave me a new way to understand the language. As my journey continued, I realized that the city was full of small but valuable lessons. Street vendors taught me casual expressions used in daily life. Tourists shared travel vocabulary that I could use in global conversations. Bus drivers showed me how to ask questions politely and clearly. Even the signs and posters around the city helped me understand structure, grammar, and tone. My confidence grew with every interaction. I improved not by memorizing long lists of words, but by using English as a natural part of my experiences. This approach transformed the city into a living classroom and taught me that the most meaningful lessons often come from unexpected moments. When people ask me today how to learn English effectively, I always explain that curiosity, observation, and real conversations matter more than perfect grammar. My search for hidden city gems taught me that a language grows stronger when it becomes part of daily life. This journey helped me build not only my English skills but also a deeper understanding of the world around me.